In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add objects onto a slide in Keynote and then change the color. So let's get started. First, we're going to go over here to apps. So I'm going to go to my Apple apps and I'm going to find my Keynote. This is the icon that we want to look for, the Keynote icon. Go to my plus over here and tap on the plus, make a new presentation. And over here, I will choose theme. I'm going to choose theme. And then I'm just going to click the basic white, either here or up recent. So I'm just going to use basic white. And this opens up a presentation for me. Now you can see right here that there are things on it, but I want it to be blank because I want to add my shapes to create my object. So I'm going to go up here to the paintbrush, right here where the paintbrush is, and tap on the paintbrush. Then I'm going to choose layout right here, and tap on layout. And then I'm going to scroll up till I get to the bottom and choose the blank down here at the bottom. So now you can see that we have a blank slide to work on. Now, we're going to add an object. To add an object in Keynote, you want to go up here to the little plus sign and tap on the plus sign. And then we're going to go right here where these little shapes are and tap on the shapes. And you'll notice that there's a little blue where it says search. There's a whole bunch of words in blue. And so these are many different types of shapes and objects that we can use to form stuff. But for this session, I'm just going to use basic shapes. So I'm going to start with a star. And I'm going to make a huge star. I'm just going to make it nice and big so you can see here. All right. Now I want to change the color of my star. To change the color of my star, I'm going to go to my little paintbrush, back to my paintbrush, and then I'm going to make sure it says style over here. And I think I'm going to have a orange star. Now we can tap on the fill to get different colors. So you can get preset colors, like these are all preset. I can change my yellow to different colors. I can do color and get a gradient color, like a different shade of yellow maybe. Gradient means that I can have a two-tone color, so I could add a yellow in there and with a start and an end color and maybe do an orange. So you notice here how it gives you different colors. But I need to tap on my star, make sure it's highlighted blue before I tap on my paintbrush. And then I'm just going to go with the basic yellow here. A nice, bright, shiny yellow star. Okay, so this is how you add a shape onto your slide and change the color. And I'm going to change my presentation name to, we're going to do color shapes. And name it shapes. There we go. Okay, so this is my presentation for that. And this is how I add a shape to a slide in Keynote, and then I change the color.